Ladies and gentlemen, I officially joined every other farming YouTube channel in saying it's wet. We got 2.5 inches rain the other night with another 1/2 inch last night. I don't know if you can see down. I have a riser pipe down. I don't think there's enough water or light down there, but that is a 6-inch tile. Basically a carrier main for my beans. It goes out that way into the north. But it's wet. I'm going to try to dive in here. This is a waterway off the field. And you can see it's kind of a washout spot, but it's holding water, so we're not going to be doing much anytime soon. I need to get in here and kind of regrade this a little bit. Neighbor really doesn't want to help me out too much with it. That's why it's eating into his ground a little bit. So really the property line's right there. So technically that's all his problem, but oh well. But we're wet. We're not going to be doing anything for quite a while. I'd say at least a week. At least a week. So what I'm going to do is basically I have a bunch of videos built up for this occasion that if it did turn wet like it did, I have some videos to keep going, some content that you guys can keep watching. The first one will be kind of, or I'll tag onto this video, is the drone footage of a neighbor that's been helping us harvest. It's the first time I flew my drone at night to kind of see what it looks like. I've always been kind of afraid because all the sensors are off. It can't see anything. It's basically me flying it, and I'm not that good of a flyer. So you'll see that. It is a Case 8230 on tracks with a 40-foot MacDon FD75, I believe, with a Case 335 Magnum and a 1,000 bushel grain cart J&M on tracks and a couple semis rolling around. So you'll see that video. Then after that, it'll kind of just be a hodgepodge of stuff that I have from spring, spraying, maybe a few other harvest videos that I didn't find, maybe working on the truck. I had the dreaded GM thump. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's when your truck, when you come to a stop, your back end basically stays up. When you let go of the brakes, it boom, hops down. So I'll show you how to fix that, or how I fixed it. And we'll go from there, and we'll keep up to date on the R72. We got some numbers on the table. We're not close yet. We still got a little bit of working to do. You know, the deal's not close. So we'll try to nail that deal down. We'll try to get a combine this year. If we don't, we don't. Live to die another day, maybe, or a better deal will come. Maybe one of those great sayings. I don't know. But we'll go from there on that side. So I'll keep you updated on all that. But at least we're out a week at least. So see you guys.